They walked beside each other in silence. They walked beside each other in silence. Beside means nearby. Besides has different meaning. Do we need a special permission to enter the park? Do we need special permission to enter the park? Permission is an uncountable noun. So, we should not use a before it. Athletics have an important role in school life. Athletics has an important role in school life. Athletics is a singular noun. So, singular verb must be used. Malgudi days are very famous among the readers. Malgudi days is very famous among the readers. Malgudi days is the title of a book. So, it takes a singular verb. Ravi is my older brother. Ravi is my elder brother. The word elder is used to talk about a member of the family.